If you already know what OpenClaw is, this video is going to stop you in your tracks because Kimi just made it so you can run the full OpenClaw stack. 5,000 plus skills, 40 gigabytes of storage, the K2.5 Thinking model, directly inside a browser tab, no VPS, no Docker, no terminal. If you have been putting off building with OpenClaw because the server setup felt like too much, that excuse is completely gone now. My name is Paul James. I help freelancers and small business owners use free AI tools to build real service businesses without burning through expensive software budgets. And when I saw what Kimi did with Kimi Claw, I knew I had to break it down. Because for anyone in this space who already understands what OpenClaw can do, this is a genuinely significant moment. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. So let's talk about what actually changed, because if you have spent any time with OpenClaw before, you know the drill. The capabilities were always there. The persistent memory, the customizable persona, the Clawhub skill library, the scheduled tasks, all of it was powerful. But getting there meant provisioning a VPS, working through Docker configuration, running terminal commands, and then staying on top of things like exposed API keys and the risk of malicious skills slipping into your stack. For a lot of people, especially those trying to offer this as a client-facing service, that back-end complexity was the thing standing between them and actually building something. The tool was great. The barrier to entry was not. Here is where everything shifts. Kimi Claw eliminates that entire layer. The full OpenClaw stack now deploys in one click straight from your browser. Kimi handles the cloud hosting, automatically connects the K2.5 Thinking model, and links your Kimi Code membership quota so there is no separate API configuration to wrestle with. You do not buy a server, you do not touch a terminal, you open a tab, you click deploy, and you are running OpenClaw. That is the change. And if you are someone who already understood what this tool was capable of, you understand immediately why that matters. I want to give you a framework for thinking about the opportunity this creates. I call it the zero barrier deployment model. Here is the idea. Before Kimi Claw, OpenClaw was powerful but gated by technical knowledge, server costs, and ongoing infrastructure management. The people who benefited most were developers and technically confident builders. Everyone else either struggled through the setup or gave up. The zero barrier deployment model flips that. Now the full capability of OpenClaw is accessible to anyone who can open a browser. And that gap between what this tool can do and how few non-technical people have touched it yet is exactly where your service opportunity lives as someone who already knows it well. Let me walk through what you are actually working with inside Kimi Claw, because some of this has been upgraded from what you might remember. The Clawhub skill library now gives you access to more than 5,000 community-built skills. If you have been selectively using skills before, this scale changes your workflow. You can move from one specialized skill to chaining multiple skills together across a single client engagement, research, analysis, formatting, delivery, all handled by installed modules rather than custom prompts you are rebuilding from scratch every time. For anyone running this as a service, that is a compounding efficiency advantage the longer you work with it. Stay with me because this next part is where it gets really practical. The storage allocation is 40 gigabytes. That is not a small number for an AI assistant context. It means you can load a client's brand documentation, their historical reports, their preferred templates, and communication standards. And the assistant actually holds all of that as living reference material. Every output it generates is already informed by everything you have fed it. For a client who has been paying for consistency and getting generic, that difference is immediately visible. That is your value demonstration right there. And the security improvements are worth flagging, especially if you have run self-hosted OpenClaw before. Because Kimi now hosts this as a managed service, two of the historically real risks, malicious skill installation and exposed API keys, are significantly reduced. When you are pitching this to a business client who is going to ask about data safety, being able to say it runs on a managed, secured platform rather than a server you spun up yourself is a meaningful upgrade to that conversation. I remember when I was first trying to explain self-hosted AI infrastructure to a potential client and watching their eyes glaze over at the word Docker. Having a setup that removes that conversation entirely makes closing so much cleaner. Now let me talk about what this actually looks like as a service, because that is really why you are here. If you already understand OpenClaw, you have a head start that most of the market does not have. The people who are going to struggle with Kimi Claw are the ones learning what persistent memory and skill libraries even mean. You already know. That means you can skip the learning curve and go straight to building client-ready configurations. The most direct play is offering OpenClaw setup as a done-for-you service through Kimi Claw. You go to a business, a boutique PR firm, a growing e-commerce brand, a local legal practice, and you offer to build and manage their own configured assistant. You define the persona, install the relevant Clawhub skills, set up their scheduled automations, and hand them a system that runs without their team having to think about it. Setup fee upfront, monthly retainer to manage and expand it over time. Here is the angle most people are not talking about yet. Because Kimi Claw removes the VPS requirement, your cost to deliver this service just dropped. You are not eating server costs or managing infrastructure between client projects. You are configuring and managing within a hosted environment. That changes your margins significantly, and it changes how many clients you can realistically handle at once without adding overhead. Think about what that looks like at scale. 3 clients at a modest monthly retainer each adds up to real recurring income, with no server bill eating into it. That math works in a way it simply did not before Kimi Claw existed. The Telegram integration is another piece worth building into your service packages. Kimi Claw connects to a Telegram bot, which means the configured OpenClaw assistant lives directly inside a client's team communication channel. You set up the bot, wire it into their group, configure it to respond when tagged, and their team suddenly has an always available, context-aware assistant sitting right inside where they already work. For a small logistics operation that needs daily dispatch summaries, or a content team that wants on-demand research support without breaking their workflow to open a separate tool, that integration is something they will actually use every single day, and something they will pay to keep running. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me paint you a quick real-world picture. Imagine a 2-person consulting firm that specializes in helping mid-sized companies with operational audits. They are brilliant at their work, but terrible at the administrative layer. Weekly client updates, document tracking, follow-up reminders. You come in and build them a Kimi Claw assistant running on the full OpenClaw stack. You install skills from Clawhub for report structuring and competitor data synthesis. You configure it to send each active client a status summary every Thursday morning automatically. You connect it to their Telegram so either partner can ask a quick question mid-meeting and get a grounded answer without stopping to search. That firm now has an operational backbone it did not have before. You built it in a focused afternoon, they feel it every single week, and here's the part that makes it stick. The assistant gets more useful over time as you feed it more of their context. The longer it runs, the harder it becomes for that client to imagine going back. That is a retainer relationship that holds. Picture what the next 45 days look like with 2 or 3 engagements like that running simultaneously. You have recurring income tied to systems that are already deployed and working. You are not starting every project from zero. You are managing and expanding something that compounds in value the longer it runs. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. You already knew OpenClaw was powerful. Kimi Claw just removed the last reason not to build with it. The 5,000 plus skills, the 40 gigabytes of storage, the 0 setup browser deployment, the managed security, it is all there and it is all running right now. Go explore it, start building, and I will see you in the next one.